Hey guys, Dustin with Floor It coming at you today because we care about our customers. We care about you. And we want to make sure that you guys have the best protection plan available to be able to really make sure that you're following all the guidelines necessary for your products. So we actually created the Protect My Warranty program. It's a bigger, better surface warranty than anything else I've seen. And really, again, this is a way for us to get you some information, making sure that you're getting the right information for your products, and then also, again, making sure that you're maintaining it properly. So we're making sure to send out those up-to-date digital format, all your warranty information and cleaning and maintenance information. We're also, again, going to include in this a 5-year labor warranty, which is really, again, pretty unheard of in the industry as well. We're going to give you a spot and spill warranty free, where basically we've got a service provider that will be designated to your area, and they will be able to come out and help you by removing spot and spill for free. And even if that doesn't work, we're going to help you out further, because most of the carpets that we sell today, if we're talking about carpet, have different types of warranties against spot and spill as well. So again, if that doesn't work, just let us know. And the care and maintenance notifications to protect from voiding your warranties. So a lot of people don't realize that not professionally cleaning carpet, as an example, that carpet has to be professionally cleaned at least once every 18 months to actually follow the warranty guidelines for most manufacturers. So other products have warranty and, again, care information that follows these same types of things, and we're going to make sure we get all that out to you, again, with the Protect My Warranty program.